Welcome back everyone, it's Sam from Tynker, and I'm here again with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Room Turtle Boss Battle by Generous Wolf. In the code for this project we see some forever blocks, when I receive blocks, and when touching blocks for the effects of the asteroids. Fly through space as a turtle and dodge the asteroids as you try to defeat the evil boss. Next up is Bee Swarm Simulator by Fixer.com. In Fixer's code we see some broadcast blocks, some say blocks for the texts, and play note blocks for the music. Build your own beehive colony in this awesome simulator. This project is called Blast Man by roninthewird. In the code we see when I receive blocks for the healing and hits, play sound block for some noises, and when arrow pressed blocks for the movement of the character. Run through this awesome platformer game and blast your enemies along the way. Lastly, we have Adrie by Adri. In Adrie's code, we see a when actor collides block, when I receive blocks, and walk right or left distance blocks. Fly through the clouds and run through the level. Thanks for watching, and remember, you too can code cool projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!